Today's video is about building the first of its kind, the Hobie PA17T dual trailer. That means we're going to be able to run two Hobie PA17Ts on one trailer specifically designed for it from our friends over at TrailX. Stay tuned, because I don't know how this thing goes together, but between the two of us, Janelle and I, and maybe a couple of friends, we're going to figure it out. So immediately I was overwhelmed. Every piece comes in a box. The trailer seemed to be pretty straightforward, but because this was the first of its kind, TrailX hadn't quite put together a manual or an installation manual that was specifically designed for the PA17 double. And now the PA17 double trailer, it's a little bit more like a traditional boat trailer where the axle is placed in the far rear. So we have the tongue assembly assembled. Very different from my previous single trailer, which the axle was put more underneath the boat, and it rode kind of funky. This trailer, now that I've got it completely put together, rides fantastic. It is a very well engineered thing with lots of options to customize it. The benefit about the TrailX trailer is it's so modular. If a piece breaks, or if it has to move, or if the cradles just aren't sitting right where the Hobie recommendation is, it's very easy to move these things around. I'm definitely going to move the center cross beam all the way back to just about as close as I can get to this coupler for the leaf spring. And there's a couple of reasons for that, because I originally wanted to go back to here, but this isn't going to work because of this assembly right here. And because this is all put together with the axle and whatnot, I don't want to jeopardize its structural integrity. So I think what I'll do is go on this side of it and then move my front cross section this distance, which is looking like about 6 to 7 inches. This was a benefit that I didn't anticipate being so worthy of the cost. I have to respect just how much this American-made company is engineering these TrailX trailers. They build them right there in Canfield, Ohio, and I thoroughly enjoy this product. The wiring is actually very simple. It's designed for the wires to go where they need to go. It comes with some great waterproof LED taillights and this wonderful running bar on the back of the trailer. It's a great trailer. Done. The whole thing is done. Okay, this is why your Hobie dealer charges you so much money to put one of these together. It's worth it. Let an experienced professional put it together. After many calls with TrailX and talking back and forth, real good guys over there. I'm getting to know them pretty well, actually. Gone over as many pointers and tips as I could for the thing. It's solid. Now we got to put the boats on it and see how it works. What are you laughing at?